What is up? It is Big Char Trades back with another video, and in this video I am going to be recapping my trade from today. Today I lost around $422 across 8 accounts, which amounts to a total of 3.3K. So a little bit of a lighter loss today, which is fine. This was a textbook setup, and I probably would have taken this setup 10 times out of 10. So it's just unfortunate that we got stopped out, but we do have Nvidia earnings today, which is probably why the market was so choppy. And then we do have red folder news tomorrow and Friday. This week was just a horrible week, but going into today, here is what we have. We literally don't have anything on the daily time frame. We don't have anything on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see here. We don't have anything on the 1-hour time frame. And on the 15-minute, what we had coming into today is nothing except this nice fair value gap in discount. So if we take the low to the high, I did want longs today just because on the 1-hour we do have bullish structure, right? We're making higher lows and higher highs. We also have bullish structure on the 4-hour as well. We broke this high, right? This previous high, these equal highs right there. So with this bullish structure, I really wanted longs. So dropping down to the 15-minute, we had this nice, here I'll go back to market open, which is like right here. Okay, so coming into market open, we had this nice bullish fair value gap in premium right here, as you can see. I mean, in discount, this is all premium above this line, and then this is all discount, right? If we're going to go higher, I ideally want to tap into a discount array to then go higher, right? So market is here when it opens, and obviously you guys know I take the highest time frame inversion. Okay, typically that's what I like to do. So there was nothing on the 2-minute or anything, so I just stuck to this 1-minute, and we had this fair value gap right here that got inverse on that candle. So that was my entry, and my trade idea was that actually I got an entry on a retest on right. Yeah, my executions will be posted to Twitter so you can see, but got an entry like right here. Stop goes at the low. My final TP was this high right here at, oh wait, no, my final TP was this high right here at 574 for like a 1 to 1R. Very simple trade here. And look what happens, dude. This is actually insane. So we're here on ES. We are over here, right? Let's see. Chop around. Look at this PA right here. Literally look at this PA. It's insane. And then eventually we come down and stop me out, right on this candle right there. This is some insane work. Looking back on this trade, I should have cut it when ES broke these highs, as you can see, right? NQ is just nowhere near breaking these highs, and ES has already broke them. So as you guys know, I always cut at SMT, opposing SMT. That's some bearish SMT. I never saw that. I didn't see that on the chart because I was looking at my top steps and my alpha account. So unlucky today. We are on a nice 3-day losing streak. We took an L Monday, we took an L Tuesday, and today is Wednesday. We also took an L. So, you know, but this is a trade that I would take 10 times out of 10. So I'm not really mad about it. It's just part of the game. You know, the longer the losing streaks, the longer the winning streaks. I'm completely okay with taking this loss. So with that being said, that concludes today's trade recap. Let me know in the comments below if you took the same trade as me. We got pretty unlucky here, but you know, hopefully tomorrow will pay us. And with that being said, peace out. Have a great rest of your day, and I will catch you tomorrow.